Quora versus LinkedIn. Which platform is better for B2B marketing in 2024? Struggling to crack the code on B2B marketing? Well, you're not alone. And today we're going to dive deep into the battle of the titans, Quora versus LinkedIn. Which one will supercharge your B2B marketing strategy? Well, stick around to find out. Hey Internet fam, welcome to the channel where we decode the mysteries of B2B marketing, making them as easy to understand as your favorite comic book. In today's saga, Quora versus LinkedIn. If you're all about cutting through the noise and finding the best platform to launch your B2B strategies into the stratosphere, well, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Unlocking B2B marketing strategies. Quora versus LinkedIn. In today's digital ecosystem, the power of understanding platform dynamics such as those of Quora and LinkedIn cannot be overstated. These platforms open up a realm of opportunities for B2B marketers. So let's dive into what sets them apart and how you can leverage them for your go-to-market strategies. If you don't understand GTM or go-to-market strategy, it's just a plan that helps a company sell its products or services to customers to gain an advantage over its competitors. Now, understanding the audience, a closer look at both platforms. LinkedIn's professional network with over 800 million professionals, LinkedIn is a treasure trove for B2B marketers. It's where decision makers are in abundance, with 4 out of 5 members influencing business decisions. This platform is especially relevant in tech and SaaS sectors, which is attracting professionals predominantly in the 25 to 45 age range bracket. It's the go-to platform for connecting with industry leaders and decision makers. Quora's diverse user base. Quora, with over 300 million monthly visitors, offers a wide canvas of demographics. It's a hub for curious minds looking to delve deeper into a myriad of topics. And this diversity is a potential advantage for companies looking to understand and engage with niche markets or address complex customer queries, making it a valuable tool for your market research and thought leadership. Leveraging platform strengths, strategies, and successes. Strategic moves on LinkedIn for B2B. LinkedIn excels with its advanced targeting capabilities. Utilizing Sales Navigator, companies can hone in on specific industries, job titles, and company sizes, ensuring that their message reaches the most relevant audience. For instance, a SaaS company focusing on CFOs within the tech sector can significantly enhance its campaign effectiveness with LinkedIn campaigns, showing a potential increase in conversion rates of up to 45%. Quora's approach to B2B engagement. Unlike LinkedIn, Quora offers a unique pathway to establish thought leadership. Answering targeted questions can help demonstrate your company's expertise, which is an effective strategy that includes engaging in discussions pertinent to your industry, which not only boosts your visibility, but can also drive traffic to your website. For example, a fintech startup saw a 20% increase in web traffic by actively participating in relevant Quora discussions. Navigating the B2B funnel. LinkedIn's direct path to conversion. LinkedIn's B2B funnel is designed for efficiency, moving from awareness to decision-making with ease. Through targeted ads and direct engagement, companies can swiftly transition leads into valuable customers, which emphasizes the importance of building and nurturing professional relationships. Building trust on Quora. Quora's funnel is a bit more indirect since its user base isn't as consistent as LinkedIn's, but it starts with establishing your brand as a credible authority, fostering trust that gradually guides users towards your offerings. This platform is ideal for a long-term strategy that leverages SEO and allows your expertise to attract and convert users organically. Moving forward, as we've explored the unique landscapes of Quora and LinkedIn, it's evident that each platform serves distinct but complementary roles in a comprehensive B2B marketing strategy. With this knowledge, you're not just adapting to trends, you're strategically positioning your brand to thrive. Navigating B2B marketing. LinkedIn versus Quora. In the realm of B2B marketing, understanding the nuances of platforms like LinkedIn and Quora is key to leveraging their full potential. Now, let's dive into the facts and hypotheticals scenarios to see how you can maximize your marketing strategy. Organic strategy versus paid advertising. On LinkedIn, organic strategy on LinkedIn is a powerhouse for content that builds thought leadership. Posting insightful articles and engaging in discussions can increase your visibility organically. Imagine a tech company sharing groundbreaking research on LinkedIn. This approach can attract potential clients by highlighting their expertise without direct advertising costs. Paid advertising. LinkedIn offers targeted advertising options, enabling precision in reaching B2B audiences. For example, a hypothetical B2B SaaS company might use LinkedIn ads to target industry-specific decision-maker persona. And hypothetically, this could increase qualified leads by 60% and reduce CAC by 20% versus other advertising channels. Just due to the fact that LinkedIn's audience targeting capabilities are so sophisticated. If you don't know what CAC is in business lingo, CAC just stands for customer acquisition cost. It's a business metric that measures the total cost of acquiring new customers. Expected CAC on LinkedIn. While LinkedIn's precise targeting may lead to a higher initial CAC, the quality of leads often justifies the investment. The exact CAC will vary depending on the industry and campaign specifics, but with strategic targeting, companies can optimize costs over time. Now for Quora, organic strategy. Quora shines in establishing authority through knowledge sharing. By answering niche-related questions, you can build a reputation gradually. Consider a hypothetical scenario where a B2B marketing consultant answers complex questions on go-to-market strategies, organically attracting businesses seeking expertise. Paid advertising on Quora. Quora allows for targeted advertising based on topics and questions, offering a unique opportunity to engage with interested users. A B2B company might target questions relevant to their products, guiding users back to their website or landing page. Though not as targeted as LinkedIn, Quora's broader approach can yield lower costs per lead. Quora also might be best for a SaaS company that has a dual go-to-market approach that is targeting both B2C and has a B2B function. Expected CAC on Quora. Quora's CAC tends to be lower than LinkedIn's thanks to broader targeting and less competition. Effective content strategy and active engagement can further reduce CAC by leveraging organic reach. Insights for newcomers. For those new to both platforms, it's critical to deeply understand your target audience. LinkedIn is unparalleled for engaging directly with professionals and decision makers, ideal for targeted B2B marketing efforts. Quora offers a platform for building thought leadership at potentially lower costs. Integrating both into your marketing strategy can have a balanced, targeted lead generation approach as well as a long-term authority approach. Hypothetical success story. Now, let's imagine a cloud service provider successfully utilizing both LinkedIn and Quora. Now, on LinkedIn, they target IT decision makers with ads about cloud migration services, hypothetically seeing a 30% increase in demo requests. Simultaneously, they answer related queries on Quora, hypothetically boosting website traffic and organic queries. This dual approach maximizes visibility and credibility across both platforms. Looking ahead, as we've seen, both LinkedIn and Quora have unique strengths in the B2B marketing landscape. Next, we'll dive into fine-tuning your strategies on these platforms to maximize your return on investment and mark your presence in the B2B world. Maximizing ROI with LinkedIn and Quora. LinkedIn, the powerhouse of B2B lead generation. LinkedIn is recognized for its professional network, and it boasts over 800 million monthly global members. It stands as a pivotal platform for B2B marketing, offering tools and features designed for precise targeting and engagement. LinkedIn's environment is tailored for professional growth, networking, and content sharing, making it an ideal venue for B2B marketers aiming to reach decision makers and industry influencers. LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn's advertising solutions are designed specifically for marketers in the B2B space. Marketers can target ads based on job titles, industries, company sizes, and more, allowing for highly targeted campaigns. According to LinkedIn its platform delivers 2x higher engagement rates for B2B advertisers compared to average web advertising. Content marketing on LinkedIn. Sharing insightful articles, posting company updates, and engaging in industry conversations are pivotal. LinkedIn reports that complete company pages receive 2x more visitors than those with incomplete pages, highlighting the importance of active content engagement. Quora, a venue for establishing thought leadership in both B2C and B2B. Quora's unique value lies in its question and answer format, which attracts over 300 monthly visitors. It provides a space for B2B marketers and B2C marketers to demonstrate expertise, engaging with interested audiences, and drive traffic to their websites by answering relevant industry questions. Quora for B2B engagement. Marketers can use Quora to directly answer user inquiries related to their industry, establishing credibility and thought leadership. While specific engagement metrics may vary, Quora's open platform allows for detailed insights and analytics on question views and interactions, offering a clear gauge of audience engagement. Quora Ads. With its targeted advertising options, Quora allows marketers to reach users based on their interests and the questions they're reading or answering. This direct approach helps in positioning ads along with relevant content, which increases the likelihood of engagement from a qualified audience. Now, focusing resources for B2B marketing. When it comes to allocating marketing resources, the choice between LinkedIn and Quora should be guided by specific campaign goals and target audiences. LinkedIn is unmatched for direct B2B lead generation and targeted advertising, recommended for marketers aiming to quickly reach decision makers within specific industries. Quora excels in long-term brand building and establishing thought leadership. It's ideal for marketers focusing on nurturing their brand's reputation and authority over time. It can be ideal for a SaaS company that has B2C and B2B functions. Which channel is best for rapid growth versus the long-term game? If you're thinking short-term, LinkedIn's advanced ad capabilities can put you in the fast lane, driving quick wins and immediate growth. Centrally for a B2B company. For the long-term game, Quora's depth of engagement can help you build a foundation of trust and authority that pays dividends down the road. But let's not forget, in the tech hubs of Silicon Valley and beyond, speed is often the name of the game. LinkedIn's ability to quickly pivot and target makes it a critical tool for anyone looking to stay ahead in the fast-paced world of B2B technology. In conclusion, the bottom line, LinkedIn is the better choice for a focused B2B approach due to its concentrated focus on the B2B crowd. Quora at its core is a question and answer website, and it isn't really B2B centric. Both LinkedIn and Quora offer distinct advantages for B2B marketing strategies. Choosing where to focus your efforts depend on your marketing objectives, whether that's immediate lead generation or building long-term brand authority. By leveraging the unique features and targeting capabilities of each platform, marketers can effectively reach and engage their desired B2B audiences. The key is to leverage the strengths of the platform, which most aligns with your company's goals. So there you have it, the battle of Quora versus LinkedIn for B2B marketing. I hope this video has given you valuable insights into these platforms and how they can elevate your B2B marketing game. Check out my other videos for more engaging content on B2B go-to-market strategy for B2B tech and B2B SaaS marketing. And until the next time, keep building.